say all you want, girl, you are an angel, much better than you know, girl. You see, you're all that I want. You had me at hello, girl, I almost fainted. Too much for my heart and soul to dare to feel. Please say that you want to. The places we could go are all posh and green, but pay for the gas. We'll head for the hills, and it could be amazing. Oh, I can taste it. The only thing I'm gauging is how you feel. Is there something that you need to have? If it's indispensable, something I can get arrested for. You gotta show me, say the word. Hell and bloody murder. Ain't no mountain high, and hurdles are unheard of. You're worth it, so teach me how to be all that you want.